Hey, fourth graders. Today we're going to be continuing in our Northeast packet for social studies, and we're going to do a little bit of reading together, and then we are going to do some questions on page 5. So I'm going to highlight some things as I read that are important. If you could get your highlighter out and do that with me, that would be awesome. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the mountains in the Northeast region first. Okay, and they've got a little thing over here. You can kind of see on the map where that is. It says the Appalachian Mountains run throughout the Northeast region. Okay, the mountain range is 2,000 miles long and forms the spine of the eastern side of North America. It extends from Canada all the way through Alabama in the south of the U.S. The Appalachians are one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world and are characterized by forests and low and rounded summits. The summit is the top of the mountain. Okay, you can kind of see where in the region they are on that little map there. And zoom in here for rivers and lakes. Rivers and lakes. There are many watersheds in the Northeast. You might not have heard of a watershed. A watershed is an area of land that separates waters flowing into different rivers or lakes. So think about that, what that means. A watershed is an area of land that is separating water flowing into rivers. Most waterways flow into the Great Lakes, the Ohio River, and into the Atlantic Ocean. And then down here, they have a picture of the Ohio River there that you can kind of look at. So that might be a new vocabulary word for you. And then we have the plains area, okay, which is that flat area. And the Atlantic coastal plain, which was also up on this map up here. That's right there. The Atlantic coastal plain stretches from Florida all the way to the northeastern part of Maine. Let's highlight that. The coastal plain stretches all the way to the northeastern part of Maine. The plain slowly slopes upward from the ocean inland until it reaches the Appalachian Mountains. So you can kind of see that it's going to butt up right next to the mountains there. Parts of the plain are covered with pine tree forests. The coastal plain is a narrow and flat area with numerous rivers and bays. The southern part of the plain has fertile soil and is very suited for farming. The northern part of the plain is very rocky, so not good for farming, right? And then down here, it's a little more about rivers and lakes. It says the main rivers, and this might be on some of your questions on the next page. The main rivers of the Northeast are the Hudson, the Susquehanna, the Delaware, the Connecticut, and Ohio. Those are the main rivers. The two largest lakes of the region are Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. So that's our reading, okay? And now I'm going to pull up page 5 and give you a couple of clues on that. All right, so I'm not going to help you too much with the true or false at the top. So I need you to read the statement, and then I need you to look back and see if that's true or false, and then put a T or an F in the parentheses. And that'll be that whole top section that you'll do that, okay? On the bottom, and this is important because you're going to be locating the features of the Northeast regions on the map. So you're going to need to look back at that page that we just did and find these different things. They're all on the previous page. So I guess I can't help you too much with this either. So, and then you're going to put the correct number in the parentheses for each region. All right, good luck, guys.